Okay, so pairing the PatioBeat speakers is actually pretty simple, and it doesn't happen automatically once you get them paired, but doing it is so simple that I can recommend it because of that, because they are pretty simple to pair, and once you get more than two, it should be easy enough to add more on. But once before you pair them, you got to make sure that you don't have the speakers paired to your device yet. So you want to choose which speaker is going to be, let's call it your alpha speaker. So I'm going to pick this one right here because it's got this card on it, and I'll be able to tell it from the other one right now. So first you're going to want to power up the primary speaker. And you'll see it come up on your device as PatioBeat. We're going to touch that. It's synced. So step 2, we're going to hit the Bluetooth button on here. One short press, and now it's going into pairing mode. Step 3, we're going to turn on the second speaker, and it's going to try searching for a device to pair to. What we're going to do is hit the Bluetooth button on here, and just like that, they're both synced. Now you're going to notice that the lights don't exactly sync with each other, but you can play around with them and change the light show. And again, the light show on these speakers, it's pretty cool. So I do like the rainbow one. It's pretty fun. And again, if you watch my full review, the sound of these speakers together, once they're powered up, they will be in what I call party mode. And party mode means that you're not getting a true wireless stereo connection. You're getting the full sound fed to each of the speakers. So if you have a big party, everybody in the party is going to be able to hear the sound equally. And again, the sound is really deep and rich on these speakers. They're 40 watts a piece, and they sound really good. So that's it. That's how you pair two PatioBeat speakers together. Again, I'll throw a link up top so you can check out the full review of these speakers. Until then, have some fun out there. Hey, this is Brian with Old Man New Tech. We can't make this channel happen without you, so please hit subscribe and smash that bell down below. And if you're looking for product links, you'll find them there too. Thank you.